Hi everybody, I'm Travis Taylor from Capital City Nissan in Topeka, Kansas, also known as the Salsa Robot on YouTube. Today I'm going to do a walk around on my car. It's a 71 Chevelle Malibu. Let's take a closer look at this thing. Okay, so what we got here, this is my 1971 Chevy Malibu. This is a LS swap car. It's more of a Restomod than anything. It's nowhere near stock, that's for sure. I'm gonna kind of walk around this thing. That's a indigo blue is the color. It's a color General Motors used to paint Silverados. Get a good around view of this thing. It's got American racing wheels on it. I went with an 18-inch wheel. It's got all the brakes have been swapped out to four-wheel disc brakes. Now, I'll try to come up here and get you a look on the hood. I really can't see the screen on the camera right now to see if you can see this, but it's got black racing stripes that are sanded into the paint there. I got a black vinyl top. I'll give you a view around the trunk here. I don't know if you can see those racing stripes or not. I'll go down low here and show you one of these wheels. I got American racing wheels on there. As you can see, the rear end's been swapped out to discs as well as the front. I've got a Ford 9-inch rear end underneath this Posi-Track with 390 gears. And you'll see these exhaust pipes are a lot different than stock. It's a 3-inch stainless steel exhaust by Pipes. And it's got Pipes racing mufflers on it. Now I'm gonna kind of show you under the hood of the car. So I've got this is an LS swap. It's a 5.3 liter. I've got the Holley Terminator EFI installed. I got a serpentine belt system here by gosh, I think the name of the company is it's ICT. That's right. Of course, we got a big aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. There's that Holley Terminator Fuel Injection there. I'm pretty happy with that fuel injection system so far. It's a self-learned system, so I didn't have to like go have this tuned or anything. So I highly recommend it. Yeah, the motor's kind of a mild build. It's got a Texas Speed camshaft and of course the headers. But the thing it sure moves, sure gets down the road really well. Now let's go check out the interior. Now on the interior, it looks all nice and stock, except for when you see the seat, you realize that seat's not really stock. It's got some nice big side bolsters and a really nice lumbar support. Inside, there's the factory radio still in the dash, although it's not hooked up. I've got a Bluetooth stereo that's underneath the seat where you don't see it. I'm going to start this up for you. As you can see, the dash looks super stock here, but wait till you see this start up. It's got a Dakota digital dash, and I think it's a pretty cool setup they have. I'm going to pop this phone off this holder here and see if I can get this in here where you can see. Shows me all the knowledge I need there. It fires right up every time with that fuel injection. And of course, got a little switch in here. I can hit this button and it changes this stuff here, which is just pretty darn cool. I think that it has all those functions. I'll give it a little rev for you guys. Well, I'm going to shut this down so you can hear me, or better yet, I've got electric cutouts on the pipe's exhaust, so I'll just hold the little button on the key fob here and the car quiets up. This has been my 1971 Chevelle. This will be a little bit shorter video because these cars just really aren't loaded up with all the options new cars have. But I sure like it. It's a fun little car. I'm going to sell it here in a few years and get something else. But again, I'm Travis Taylor from Capital City Nissan, also known as the Salsa Robot. Please do me a favor and click on the subscribe. That really helps me out, and I'll be making another video for you tomorrow, okay? Y'all have a good day.